We're East Coast Persons.
What's that?
We're East Coast Persons.
They run a lot of calls. It's just the people there. Same with 12.
We do have other cars that put us on Coast Street. That's why I wanted to see this one. Yeah. And it's like a road car. Well, it smells like a house. Like a big one.
This guy, Mike.
Yeah.
He's talking about how I want the cheese balls. He said, "Do you know who he is?" So let me introduce you. I said, "Yeah, I saw your ad. Firefighters, EMTs, drivers, auxiliary members." I said, "I'd be willing